Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of organic home decor ideas from forest floor to fabulous decor by transforming fallen branches. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Nature's most overlooked treasures lie in its discarded elements, fallen branches, twigs, and remnants of once vibrant life. These seemingly insignificant pieces of natural debris hold immense potential, waiting to be transformed into elegant, organic home decor. The concept of elevating these forgotten fragments into exquisite pieces of art challenges our perceptions of beauty and functionality, revealing how the natural world continually influences and inspires design. By reimagining fallen branches, artisans can craft stunning, sustainable decor items such as sculptural centerpieces and textured wall art, ultimately turning woodland discards into sophisticated, eco-conscious statements that celebrate the beauty of nature's imperfections. The process begins with an appreciation for the intrinsic character of fallen branches. Each piece carries its own story, shaped by its organic growth and the elements it has encountered over time. The texture, color variations, and structural integrity of these branches can become the foundation for many creative endeavors. Collecting these materials during walks in the woods or local parks not only provides an opportunity to connect with nature, but also encourages mindfulness about the environmental impact of our decor choices. Instead of relying solely on manufactured products, embracing nature's discards fosters a deeper appreciation for sustainability and the beauty found in the imperfections of organic materials. Transforming fallen branches into home decor typically requires thoughtful planning and imagination. Each branch must be examined for its unique qualities, whether it be curves, knots, or splits. These characteristics can inform the design decisions that follow. For instance, a particularly gnarled branch may lend itself beautifully to an organic tabletop centerpiece, while a straight, slender twig might be perfect for creating stylish wall art. The key lies in selecting pieces that resonate with the desired aesthetic, allowing artisans to weave together nature's organic forms with their own creative vision. Creating sculptural centerpieces is one of the most impactful ways to showcase the beauty of fallen branches. By arranging various branches together, artisans can create stunning focal points for dining tables or living spaces. This process often involves juxtaposing different shapes, lengths, and textures to produce a dynamic composition that draws the eye and invites conversation. Whether using natural finishes or applying paint to enhance color contrasts, the way the branches interact with light can further elevate the piece, revealing intricate details and shadows. Pairing these sculptural elements with minimalist pottery or candles can create a harmonious balance that highlights the organic forms, transforming the intersection of the natural and the crafted into a visually striking decor statement. Beyond centerpieces, the potential for transformed fallen branches extends into wall art, where the textural qualities of the wood can be emphasized to create stunning visual pieces. The process of turning branches into wall art often involves combining elements such as painting, staining, or weaving these materials together to form abstract designs. Mounting smaller twigs in a radial or tree-like pattern can evoke the beauty of a forest while offering a modern artistic twist. Alternatively, incorporating fabric or other materials alongside the branches can create a mixed media experience, introducing layers that enhance depth and interest. This type of decor celebrates the narrative of the branches themselves, inviting viewers to contemplate their journey from the forest floor to a thoughtful, artistic representation within a home. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. An essential component of the creative transformation process is understanding the importance of sustainability. The act of repurposing fallen branches not only reduces waste, but also contributes to a broader movement toward eco-conscious design. By embracing materials that would otherwise be discarded or left to decay, artisans communicate a commitment to sustainable practices that reflect a growing appreciation for environmental responsibility. Each crafted piece becomes a testament to the notion that beauty can be found in nature's forgotten elements, altering perceptions of what constitutes valuable decor. These organic pieces resonate with consumers seeking to infuse their homes with a sense of authenticity and connection to the natural world. Elevating discarded natural debris into elegant home decor also encourages a dialogue about imperfection. In today's design landscape, trends often lean toward polished finishes and manufactured consistency. However, the beauty of nature lies in its unpredictability. Every branch tells its own story, and the flaws within wood can become captivating features rather than drawbacks. The deliberate choice to showcase irregularities fosters an appreciation for authenticity and human connection, allowing viewers to engage with the art on a deeper level. This philosophy champions the idea that imperfections are not only acceptable, they are beautiful and worth celebrating. The versatility of fallen branches provides opportunities to create a myriad of functional home decor items beyond sculptures and wall art. Furniture pieces such as benches, shelves, or coat racks can be crafted from sturdy branches and artisanal techniques, combining functionality with an organic aesthetic. These pieces can become conversation starters, not just in terms of their creative designs, but also regarding their sustainability narratives. Emphasizing the transformation of natural materials into functional art invites homeowners to reflect on their responsibilities toward the environment and consider how their choices impact the world around them. Moreover, embracing the concept of using fallen branches encourages collaboration among community members. Workshops focused on crafting organic decor from nature's discards can bring people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared creativity. These collaborative efforts can lead to the exchange of ideas, techniques, and inspiration among like-minded individuals who share a passion for sustainability and artistry. Such gatherings promote not only skill building and experiential learning, but also an understanding of the collective impact of reusing natural materials within a community setting. As artisans refine their skills in transforming fallen branches, exploring different techniques further enhances the outcome. Woodworking methods such as carving, whittling, or even incorporating elements of pyrography, wood burning, can add an artistic touch while highlighting the unique characteristics of each branch. The resulting pieces become not just home decor items, but also poignant symbols of our relationship with the environment, inviting dialogues about beauty, functionality, and the importance of preserving our natural world. Transforming fallen branches into elegant home decor epitomizes a journey of appreciation for nature's intricacies and the potential hidden within what is often overlooked. It combines craftsmanship with an eco-conscious philosophy that celebrates the stories embedded in each piece of wood. Through thoughtfully designed sculptural elements, textured wall art, and functional furnishings, artisans can elevate discarded materials into breathtaking decor that resonates with authenticity and depth. This approach not only nurtures the spirit of creativity, but also evokes a profound connection to the environment, encouraging individuals to embrace sustainability in their decor choices. Ultimately, the transformation of nature's discards into sophisticated design statements affirms that beauty can be born from the most unexpected sources, inviting us all to rethink our relationship with the natural world and our role in nurturing it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish organic home decor ideas, from forest floor to fabulous decor by transforming fallen branches. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.